The 2018 Nissan Sentra is offered in 6 trims: S, SV, SR, Senior Turbo, NISMO and SL. Only the S, Senior Turbo and NISMO trims offer a manual transmission. All others employ a CVT. The Sentra S, $17,875 includes a 6-speed manual transmission, 16-inch steel wheels with plastic covers, LED headlight and tail light accents, power windows and door locks, air conditioning, a tilt-telescopic steering wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control, a height-adjustable driver's seat and a 4-speaker audio system with a 5-inch touchscreen, a rear-view monitor and USB and auxiliary audio inputs. Automatic emergency braking is added when equipped with a CVT automatic. The Sentra SV, $19,845 features a 6-speaker touchscreen audio system, illuminated steering wheel mounted audio controls, intelligent key with push-button start, a 5-inch driver information screen, dual-zone automatic climate control, 16-inch wheels, NissanConnect, Siri Eyes free, requires an Apple smartphone, a security system and upgraded cloth trim. The Sentra Senior, $21,255 includes unique 17-inch alloy wheels, more aggressive front and rear fascias, side sill extensions, a rear spoiler, fog lights, LED low-beam headlights, rear disc brakes, a chrome exhaust tip, adaptive cruise control and heated front seats and side mirrors, plus unique sport cloth upholstery. The Sentra SL, $24,325 is stocked with different 17-inch alloys, automatic headlights, heated exterior mirrors with integrated LED turn signals, keyless entry with push-button start, a leather steering wheel and shift knob trim, a power moonroof, Bose audio, a 6-way power driver's seat with 2-way power lumbar support, heated front seats, leather seating surfaces,